Why everyone feels tired all the time. Welcome to our training on why everyone feels tired all the time. Understand the causes of modern fatigue. Recognize the impact of mental overload and decision fatigue. Identify the importance of sleep quality and emotional well-being. Learn practical steps to combat fatigue. Let's explore the main contributors to fatigue and how to address them. Today, our brains process more information in a day than what was once handled in a lifetime. Impact. Notifications, emails, news, social media, they never let up. Takeaway. Even in rest, your mind is still at work. Daily decisions, from what to eat to what to wear, sap our mental energy. Daily effects. By night, small tasks feel insurmountable. Caution. Too many choices can overwhelm. Just clocking 7 to 8 hours doesn't guarantee you'll feel refreshed. Consider. Factors like blue light and stress hurt deep sleep. Focus. Aim for quality rest over quantity. Our system is meant for balance, but constant stimulation keeps us in stress mode. Reality check. Always plugged in prevents true recovery. Strategy. Schedule time for disconnecting. Hidden worries, financial stress, and social media comparisons drain our energy even if we're not overtly sad. Awareness. Recognize unspoken pressures that weigh on you. Support. Engage in open conversations about stress. Excessive digital engagement can lower motivation, making small joys feel dull. Monitor. Beware of constant dopamine chasing. Action step. Limit time on social media. When tasks don't resonate with our purpose, we experience existential fatigue. Fine. Align daily activities with personal values. Mindfulness. Engage in fulfilling activities. Let's reinforce our learning with some real-life applications. You stand in front of the closet, overwhelmed by options. What do you do? Tip. Limit options to ease selection. Decision time. Pick a go-to outfit to simplify choices. After a day filled with decisions, you feel spent even if you did little physically. Focus. Notice the mental energy spent throughout the day. Reflect. Acknowledge decision fatigue as a real issue. You scroll your phone before bed despite knowing it affects your sleep. Recognize. Blue light affects sleep quality. Adjust. Implement a tech-free wind-down routine. You are not lazy, you are overstimulated and underrested. Mental fatigue can occur without physical exertion. Quality of sleep is more important than quantity. Finding meaning in daily activities can combat existential tiredness. Take action. Implement daily routines and engage in meaningful tasks to restore your energy. Thank you for participating in our training on modern fatigue.